Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the exact Chatgpt error message shown on your screen. Note any error codes, timestamps, and recent actions before the failure occurred. Check OpenAI system status to confirm any service disruptions. Verify your account billing, API key validity, and usage limits if using the API. Test a different browser or device to rule out local environment problems. Collect console logs, network traces, and exact prompts to reproduce the issue reliably. Prepare these details before attempting fixes or contacting support to save time. Clear browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try again. Disable extensions and test in a private or incognito window to isolate interference. Update your browser and operating system to the latest stable versions available. If using the API, rotate your API key and verify headers, endpoints, and versions. Check network connectivity, DNS settings, and try an alternate network or VPN. Restart your device and router, then retry the request to eliminate transient issues. If problems persist, capture request ID, response bodies, and share them with support. Review rate limits, quota usage, and billing to ensure you are not throttled. Inspect application logs and SDK versions. Update libraries to match API requirements. Reinstall or update the client application and clear local caches if applicable. Use exponential backoff and retries for transient errors to improve reliability. Test with sample prompts and a minimal reproduction to isolate complex prompt issues. Consider switching to a different model or endpoint temporarily for troubleshooting. Document steps taken and escalate with logs, screenshots, timestamps, and request ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.